Now, a lot of people are finding the iPad tablet very personal. You can check out a few books, or you can go online to cruise the internet, or you can do a lot of different things. Maybe you want to just check out some of your family photos. Now, this is still very personal, but if you want to share it with a group of people, we found a brand new in-wall motorized docking station made exclusively for the iPad. The iRoom iDock from Brackatron is designed to provide a convenient, secure spot to store, charge, view, and operate an iPad. Its socket mounts flush in the wall, and power from a nearby outlet is connected to power the dock and charge the tablet. You can also connect a composite audio-video cable to the dock to directly connect the unit to your home's audio and video system for larger groups. Now, the dock opens so that you can insert or remove the pad, and it can be programmed to lock it securely in place or open when you're nearby.